The iPhone SE3 has proven to be a compelling choice for those who value performance without the hefty price tag. At first glance, its classic design might evoke a sense of nostalgia, reminiscent of earlier models with its home button and compact size. However, beneath this familiar exterior lies a powerhouse driven by the A15 Bionic chip, the same processor found in Apple's flagship models. This ensures that the SE3 delivers impressive speed and efficiency, making multitasking and gaming seamless experiences. The camera, though not as advanced as the Pro models, still holds its own. With smart HDR and enhanced image processing, photos come out crisp and vibrant, capturing everyday moments with surprising clarity. Battery life is another area where the SE3 excels, easily lasting through a full day of moderate use, which is a relief for users accustomed to carrying chargers everywhere. One of the most appealing aspects of the iPhone SE3 is its affordability. It offers a gateway into the Apple ecosystem without necessitating a significant financial commitment. For those who prioritize functionality over flashy features, the SE3 strikes a perfect balance. It's a testament to Apple's ability to blend innovation with accessibility, making it a standout choice for both new and loyal iPhone users.